Hello students, let's solve this math question which says the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? The question is from class 8 math, exercise 2.2, question number 2. Let's write what is given in the question. It's given that perimeter of the rectangular field is 154 meters. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a rectangle. And the other condition given is length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Let's say that the breadth of the rectangular field be x. Let the breadth of the rectangular field be x. Then length will be, its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Twice the breadth, which is 2x, and 2 meters more, so that's 2x plus 2. So that will be the length of the rectangular field. Now we'll use the perimeter of the field to find the length and breadth. So we have been given that perimeter is 154 centimeter and perimeter is sum of the sides. Sum of the sides equals perimeter. So let's first draw a rectangle. This is our rectangle. Its length is 2x plus 2 and breadth is x. So that's also 2x plus 2 and this is x, because the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Perimeter equals sum of the sides. So let's add up the sides. X plus 2x plus 2 plus x plus 2x plus 2 equals 154 meters. So x plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus x is 4x, 4x plus 2x is 6x. That's 6x plus 2 plus 2 is 4. 6x plus 4 is 154 meters. Or 6x equals 154 minus 4. Just transpose the single number, because we need to find the variable. We'll keep the variable on the left hand side. So that's equals 6x equals 150, or x equals 150 divided by 6. Let's divide the two numbers. 6 times 2 is 12. 3 is remainder. This becomes 30. 6 times 5 is 30. So x is 25. This is the breadth of the rectangle. Length is 2x plus 2 is the length. So let's put the value to find the length. So 2 times 25 plus 2, which equals 50 plus 2, which is 52. So 52 meter will be the length of the rectangle. This is 25 meters. Now we got the length and breadth of the rectangle. The final answer will be the length and breadth of the pool are 52 and 25 meter respectively. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and this is how we find the length and breadth of the pool given. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.